Good afternoon. My name is Dr. John Henning, Mayor of Morro Bay. It's Wednesday, April 29th, and I wanted to give you an update with regard to COVID-19 and our community. First of all, I want to recognize our community members for the great job that you're doing with regard to adhering to the state-mandated and county-mandated orders. We have been fortunate in Morro Bay to only have limited cases, 6 cases in Morro Bay. Currently, our county in San Luis Obispo has 181 cases, up from 175 as of yesterday. The curve pretty much has flattened out, but we're still under a state and county order to shelter in place and to follow the guidelines that most of us are all aware of. What I wanted to let you know as we approach the great weather we're having in Morro Bay and summer season or spring season. Ladies and gentlemen, if you're considering coming to Morro Bay for time away or a vacation, we're asking that you stay in your own communities for now and obey the state order to shelter at home. This is not only for your protection, but the protection of our community as well. Our residents, and should we have visitors for essential business items, we're asking that you adhere to social distancing. That is remaining 6 feet apart. If you're unable to do that, be sure that you're wearing a mask if you're coming within 6 feet of individuals. The city is taking significant steps to respond to the COVID-19 financial fallout, and I wanted to review a couple of these items with you. First, I'm going to say it again, we love our tourists, but for now, don't come to Morro Bay from out of town. Shelter at home in your own communities. We'll welcome you back after the governor lifts the shelter at home order and our county lifts the orders that we have restricting such interaction. We've asked our hotels and RV parks and vacation rental owners not to open their doors, only to essential workers, those in need, and those helping family members in Morro Bay, but not for vacationers or other non-essential business operations. We need to get outside for exercise. We encourage you to do that. We know it's been difficult for all of us who have complied with the shelter-in-place order. But get out, take a walk with appropriate social distancing, enjoy the weather if you're local. But if you're at risk, be sure to take extra precautions. Do so safely. Stay apart at least 6 feet and wear masks if you're within 6 feet. Or if you're going to places that are crowded, like the grocery store or farmers markets or those kinds of gatherings that are continued to still be essential. The city had a city council meeting last evening. We had a special meeting to talk about the impact of COVID-19 on our finances. The impact is severe. As you know, we're a tourist community. Our economy is based upon tourism, and for the most part, that is completely shut down. The city is facing a significant loss of revenues in the last quarter of this fiscal year, and looking at a 25 to 30% potential reduction in revenues for next year. As a result of that, I am happy to announce that our Police Officer Association and SEIU employees, as well as our executive and management staff, our city attorney, and our city council have taken reductions in salary or pay, and I'm very proud of our employees stepping up and making that concession, especially our frontline workers that are on the very forefront of trying to deal with this COVID-19 crisis. Our fire department is considering concessions, and management will be talking with them about that over the next week. We're continuing to provide assistance to our community members and businesses. Our utility discount program has been extended to those who recently lost their jobs or who are self-employed due to COVID-19 related issues. We are deferring lease payments for Tidelands Trust waterfront leases for a period of months. We've also implemented a TOT or hotel tax deferral payment system for our hotels, RV operators, and vacation rental owners. And we're also considering fee waivers for late water and sewer payments, and developing a microloan business assistance program to help our businesses get restarted again. Again, my message is clear. It's not time to resume business as usual. We still have a mandate from the state and county to remain under the shelter-at-home order. We're asking outside visitors to please hold off on coming to Morro Bay for now. We're asking our community members to adhere to the guidance that has been provided. Our first and foremost care is for you and our public and your health. Please assist us with this as we move forward. Be safe and stay well.